tripod out of 3 sticks and a toggle. You can use this to hang pots over your fire and adjust the heights get different temperatures depending on what kind of cooking you're doing. That thing jumped on your finger right now. For our tripod, we're going to need 3 same lengths of wood, approximately 1.5 inches long across in diameter, like the OK sign. We'll take these 3 pieces of wood and lay them down over here. Next, we're going to lay our 3 sticks down side by side on a working platform. Get them as close as we can, and that's when we'll start our frapping and wrapping. We're going to take the end of the rope and we're going to start with an arbor knot. We're going to go around one of them and we're going to cross the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, and then we'll simply tighten that down to where it tightens up on that piece of wood, like so. Then we're going to do 3 wraps around the entire piece of wood, keeping them nice and straight. That's 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to start going around the pieces of wood and doing our fraps. We're going to do 3 of those. So we'll go in between 2 pieces and then back up. Spread this apart some and back up through the same. We're going to repeat that 3 times. 2, and 3. Then, after we've done 3 here, we're going to move to the second joint and we'll do 3 on that one as well. One, back up, 2, keep it all tight, and 3. And then we'll come up here to the top and finish this off. With a jam knot, which we'll put right here. Go through. And we're going to tie one simple overhand knot right there and tighten that down to keep that from slipping. Push that knot all the way down. Tighten it up. This end right here we will use to hang our toggle system. We're going to move back over to the campfire. When you get to your place where you're going to set your tripod up, what you're going to do is the 2 outer legs, you're going to want to spread those out. And when you do, that tightens up all those knots. And then this third one, when it goes out, it will tighten everything up and support everything very good. Now with this string that we left, we're going to take a simple toggle, which is just a stick, and we've already made one. And it's a stick with a rope wrapped around it that you can use to hang things from your tripod. So we took a stick, tie a rope around it, and what we're going to do is make a loop right here. just like that. And with that loop, we're going to take our string and run it through. And that will allow us to be able to lift our toggle to our desired length to give it the right hang over the fire. If you want it to really boil fast, cook something fast, you put it down here. If you want to kind of just keep your food warm, you hang it up there. But as you can see, you have all this adjustment, and then where you get it to where you want it, you just simply take this string and tie it around one of the legs of your tripod like so. And that'll lock that in to where it won't move. I hope you enjoyed today's show, and if you learned anything, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I'd like to thank my sponsors, my family, my friends and affiliates, and until next video, stay in the woods.